Hi, I'm Ken Romali with Agile Sigma Academy. I'm happy to share this video on Lean Six Sigma principles as part of my effort to help people think like a black belt. The video is from one of my e-learning courses available online. If you like it, consider taking the full course and earning a certification of your own in Lean or Six Sigma. A special discount code is available just for you in the comments section below and at the end of the video. But enough about me. Let's talk about business process improvement. Meet Laura DiCarlucci. Laura is a mid-level manager in the creative department. She has been with the company for 3 years and is hoping to advance. She heard about the Six Sigma initiative when it rolled out last year, but hasn't yet gotten any training in Six Sigma. She hopes to become a white belt someday because she's been impressed by the skills white belts have shown in meetings. It's like they're speaking a whole new language. This is Simon. Simon is also a mid-level manager in creative services. He has just been put on one of the company's Six Sigma project teams and has been talking about it ever since he got out of training. Laura was just walking over to get some coffee when she saw Simon ahead of her. Maybe she could talk to him a bit about his project.
Hey Simon, wait up.
Hi Laura, haven't seen you in a while.
Yes, that Six Sigma project about the video issue must be keeping you busy.
Yeah, that and a million other things. I'm loving the project work for sure. As you know, we are working on the video production issue that's been giving us headaches the last few months. We have a great team put together. Mike Gregorian is our green belt, and Manoj and I are the yellow belts on the team. We are just entering the define phase of the project, where we try to define the problem clearly and launch the project.
Whoa. You just peeled off all kinds of words that went way over my head. Yellow belt, green belt, and now you're in the define phase? Don't you already know that the problem is we've got so many customers complaining?
Sorry about that. I forgot that you haven't been to training yet. The entry-level Six Sigma belt is white belt, someone with a good understanding of the structure and concept of Six Sigma, but not much focus on the tools and methods. Next level is a yellow belt, someone like me or Manoj, who has been to a few days of Six Sigma training to be on a team. The project is being led by our green belt, Mike. He's been to a full week of Six Sigma training and can lead smaller projects like this one. The next level above green belt is black belt, someone with 3 or more weeks of training who can lead even the biggest company-wide projects. Mike says that even though we are new to Six Sigma, we can start to think like black belts to transform our company. It's a great opportunity. I know that the word define makes it sound simple, but we have a lot of work to do in the define phase. I've been assigned to work on the problem statement before the next team meeting, but I'm getting pulled onto another project. Hey, how would you like to learn more about define and problem statements? I could really use some help on this.
I'd be happy to help you out. What do I need to do?
I'll forward you the training video. Maybe you can help me on my problem statement homework this week. Thanks so much, Laura. So glad I bumped into you.
And with that casual conversation, Laura got the chance to jump into her white belt by immersion. In the next lecture, we will step into Laura's shoes and learn how to write a problem statement. Let's go!